There has been a long-standing myth that Linux-based operating systems are only for programmers. So here are 10 reasons why Linux can be used by anyone, and not just programmers.
Free your mind.
Number 10. Although Linux distros and open source software are made by programmers and developers, it is not necessary to know programming to use them. Most components in Linux-based operating systems and every open source program allows anyone to view the programming code, or source code, that was used to make the program. This is a great benefit to programmers. But users don't have to know programming or view any lines of code whatsoever in order to use Linux or open source applications. Number 9. You don't need to know any terminal commands or use a command line in order to use Linux-based operating systems. Performing tasks from a terminal in Linux can be handy. In fact, some applications can only be used from the command line. That being said, most applications and everyday tasks in Linux today use a graphical interface, so you don't need a terminal to perform them. Number 8. Linux is more user-friendly than people realize. Since its birth in the 90s, Linux desktops and open source applications have been improved and developed to better suit the user's needs. Today, the design of the desktops and applications are modern, stylish, and easy to use. Like with everything, there is a learning curve, but it's no more difficult than learning Mac or Windows today. Number 7. Linux is available in a ton of different languages. Whether you speak Chinese, English, Russian, Hindi, or any other language, Linux distros provide a wide variety of regional and language support, so anyone around the world can use and benefit from Linux and free software. Number 6. Different distributions of Linux allow you to choose a version that meets your needs. Some versions of Linux put an emphasis on being user-friendly and familiar, while others focus more on exclusive use of non-proprietary software. Some require almost no familiarity with Linux, and some require a more technical skill level in order to use applications or configure your PC. Unlike other operating systems that have set, unchangeable features or less flexible desktops, having different Linux distros to choose from puts you in full control of your computer. Number 5. Many games and gaming platforms support Linux. For gamers, popular Linux distros offer easy installation of graphics drivers and game clients like Steam to download and play your favorite games. While not all games are supported on Linux, new gaming titles are introduced on Linux all the time, and many popular AAA gaming titles continue to be ported to work with Linux. There are also programs like Wine to help run Windows games on Linux as well. The software centers in Linux also have thousands of free and open source games to play that are available for immediate download without the need to sign up for an account or put in your personal information. Number 4. The license type for Linux allows almost any user from any country to access it. Because of the free license that Linux and open source applications are distributed under, mainly the general public license, users around the globe can access the Linux distribution of their choice, download it for free, and install it as many times as they want on any number of machines. Number 3. Linux desktop distros are compatible with most PC hardware. Linux-based operating systems support a wide variety of hardware, from laptops that are over 5 years old to modern desktops and even Mac hardware. Linux can be installed on almost any PC. Number 2. If there is a problem with a program, you don't have to figure it out yourself. Like every program, bugs can appear in open source applications, causing a feature not to work or a program to crash. If that happens, you don't have to sort through the code or troubleshoot the bugs yourself. You can let the community help you by going to online forums for the Linux distro or for the application, or even submit a bug report yourself, and let developers know the problems you are experiencing. There is a worldwide community filled with millions of Linux and open source users who are willing to help out others. And number 1, applications for nearly any industry are available on Linux. Linux applications aren't all about programming and development. Thousands of applications are available for a variety of industries and purposes, from browsing the web, to game design, finances, graphic design, engineering, video and 3D animation, and many more. Have another reason you'd like to add? Discuss them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to free your mind. Thanks for watching. Take care, and stay free.